To start selling digital gift cards, begin by navigating to the VIX website. Once there, locate the login button in the top right corner and enter your email and password to access your account. Upon logging in, you'll be able to set up your store or website, where you can explore various options such as getting paid, sales, catalog, blog, and apps. To create a gift card, click on the catalog section and then select Add Gift Card. However, before adding gift cards, you'll need to publish your site by going to the website editor, which can be accessed through the Design Site option on the home page. After publishing your website, you can proceed to add gift cards. If you need to learn more about how gift cards work on the platform, you can explore the relevant resources. By following these steps, you can successfully set up and start selling digital gift cards.